Hey guys, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. Standing on this brand new 2023 245 dual console from Sailfish boats. Just arrived on our lot here today. As you can see, I'm standing in the cockpit. Ton of wide open fishing space on this boat with these seats folded up, and then you can fold them down and really entertain a large group of people on here for just cruising, running to the sandbar. But when you want to fish, you do have this cockpit space. Nice and for fish box as well on the floor there. Cup holder, rod holders around. Nice live well. This boat is equipped with a 300 Yamaha white upgrade. Got a freshwater shower here off the back. Rinse yourself down. Getting out of the salt water or sand. Your battery switches are there right when you get on the boat, which is nice. Got these aft facing seats here. This one does adjust, so you can have it in multiple positions. So you can be lounging back a little bit more. You know, very comfortable if you're trolling in our area for striped bass, or just lounging back anchored up. You have storage underneath here. There's a removable cooler, and then under here I have the canvas stowed there right now, but that is a insulated box there. You can put some beverages, and there's storage under this starboard seat here. Moving up to the helm, got a multi-point adjustable helm seat, your Yamaha throttle and shift control, nice Garmin screen, Yamaha gauge, switching, trim tab switch, and then this one is equipped with a Garmin VHF. Very large in-floor storage box right in the center, and a sizable head compartment. One of the largest in its class here. Sink in here, and this is a bow filler cushion that is stowed there from the factory, and there's electric marine head. Walking up to the bow, before we get there, I'll point out this large glass windshield. This thing's great protection, you know, for those early spring or late fall days. I mean, here the sun's out, you know, it's a little colder in the fall, but with this closed up, with the windshield, your wind door here, you'll be a lot warmer. There's storage under this helm too. Got bow seating up in the bow, storage under both. Great windlass here, so you don't have to mess with picking the anchor up. I'll look back aft, you see how the large hard top. So this hard top give you a lot of sun coverage in those hot summer days. As well, you do have PFD storage and some speakers in the hard top as well. Again, guys, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey. This was the 2023 245 dual console from Sailfish Boats. If you're interested in this boat, give us a call, 609-494-2102. Thanks.